What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Good day. I just want to tell the Helping Hand Ministry thanks in assisting me to get this deep freeze to do my business. You know, God laid on my heart to sell some juice and ice cream. I didn't have any money at all to start the business, but the Helping Hand Ministry come and assist me that I can get this deep freeze and to do my business. And I thank the Lord so much for that. Thank you, Helping Hand Ministry. God bless you.
Viewers, subscribers, big up on yourself. But you know what I want to do right now, my people? Me asking you, please support this channel, my people. You understand? Because this channel, people, Helping Hands JATV, it's a non-profitable charitable organization, my people. And them a do a lot of good work across Jamaica, my people. Them a give back so much to the homeless, to the people who don't have it, to the people who hungry, to the my people. All me asking for the people, please just support them YouTube channel, me the attacking boss NEWLINK. Because if you support my people, I'm asking you, please just check below in the description for the link, people, and please just support them thing. Thank you all, thank you so much. Support them people. Helping Hands JATV. Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and the NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So I tell them, my people, you see in this world right now, my viewers and subscribers, we have some crazy things out there. We have some crazy people out there. We have some sick people out there. And only Jah sees and He knows, my people. Because right now, my people, I'm going to cover a story over in Bahamas in the 242. You understand? And it's a very sad one, my people. Very sad, very tragic one. No joke about it. And the thing with this story now, my people, is where a 4-year-old girl, people, is dead. Yeah, just 4-year-olds, right? And the main perpetrator, who them say behind these people, is a man who is not her dad, but should be her stepdad. You know what I mean? So this man now is in custody, people. And a lot of people over there in the 242 right now is speaking about this thing. They must say a lot of things, people, because they must say, yo, this should have happened, this should have gone and wally, a lot of things. A lot of people right now would have loved to catch them one day and deal with them certain way, my people, because people are really sad about the whole situation. So it's a thing, people, what I tell you, say, we just have to be careful. You understand? And some parents out there, basically mothers and something, they just have the name, the title people, but they just don't know how to be a mother, you understand, and really be there for their kids. Because I have an article, people, kind of explaining what went down and everything, people, and for me we kind of understand the fullest of what go on, people, and this will showcase, so, yo, there was a lot of things that could have been avoided and something, you know what I mean, things that could have gone on, and but in the end, people, it's just sad to know what really, you know what I mean. So let me just read this thing, people. The boyfriend, Darian, is in police custody after 4-year-old was taken to hospital dead with a gaping hole in her private parts. Police were told by Darian that the girl fell and passed away from the impact. This is the same story that he told his girlfriend, Astonia, who claimed she was not present home during the time her daughter passed away. It wasn't until the daughter was in officials' custody at the hospital after examining the body of the daughter, they found that the baby had some sort of foul play in both of her hind heart areas. The mother, who is walking around free at the moment, is plain clueless towards the entire incident, as if there was no abuse ever shown in her recent boyfriend's relationship. So, my people, this is the thinking when I show and I say, yo, the whole thing, like, these are persons over there who are concerned, who have these information, put them publicly out there, people, to let people understand what really went down with this little one. And it's because I can't really say these words clearly, my people, because, you know what I mean, we are talking about the minor here, but basically what they are saying, people, is that he reported that, you know what I mean, the little girl fell, and the mother, you know what I mean, by the same story where him say, you know what I mean, and in the end, when they comes to boom and them examine her and think, people, they found out that she was in both her protective parts. You understand me as a people in both for you know, and based on information only just sees and he knows. So let me just continue with this thing, people. The father's family claims otherwise. Family members of the father claims she had to be in an abusive relationship because they got inside information from her co-workers that said she would sometimes come to work with her black eyes, sometimes week after week, claiming she had fell on her face. So what they are trying to say here, people, is that basically the mother of this child knows some things not right, some things are going on, but she failed to talk and she not talk. Because what they must say is that the man is an abusive man. Always a beat her up on them thing, the people. When she got work face, bruise up on them something there. Co-worker may ask her up to her, but she had tell lie. You know what I mean? She said she fell. And this is the same story that sell to the police that the little 4-year-old fell. But when them did the checks and thing, people, they found out that she didn't fell, people. Is what the boy did to her. Oh, Jesus. Now, in the past recent months, the mother has just started recently requesting to see her daughter again. They claim in 2017, after Bella was born, she dropped her off to her father and his family after the first few weeks and haven't been back since these last recent months. Essentially, Bella was raised by her father and his family primarily. 4-year-old Bella, who are all her life lived with her father, has just recently moved out and started living with her mother, Astonia. For the past 3 months, this departure only took place after it was discovered that she would constantly make problems around the father and his family to want to see and keep her daughter, even sometimes cursing at them. The family said it got to the extreme and out of hand, to the point they eventually gave in. So the father then allowed her to live and be present in her mother's life. During the passing of Bella, the father had no clue his daughter had passed away until his family told him they got a call from a family friend that worked at the hospital who said Bella was deceased the night of her passing. The boyfriend Darian, who is known for being abusive, is scheduled to appear in court early this coming week. Jaja sees, Jaja knows the people. No. So, this man and our people who claim to be, you know what I mean, who is the boyfriend basically, he is in custody right now pertaining to this thing, people. Because what they are saying, people, Zane, and this is big over there in the 242, is that this same thing comes about now and touch the little Pikni. Him should be the stepdad, people. Zane, but in the end, he wasn't the step. You know, he was a wicked perpetrator behind everything, my viewers and subscribers. You get what I'm saying? So the father, you know, have the little girl raise her because basically what they must say, people, is that the mother never be there for the little girl. You know what I mean? She have her a couple weeks, she gone left him. So the father, who is the original dad, people, raised the little girl with his family, people, grew her up. You get what I'm saying? So in the end now, people, when the little girl grew up now and thing, the mother come around start make problems at the yard, cursing them and everything, people. So they know that she's the mother and things. So it's like they can't take it no more. So they just give her custody and for the girl and thing. The father still gonna be there, like, look for the daughter and thing, people. Take key, you know what I mean? Be there as a man, so you can love his daughter, people. But in the end, people, the mother have this same thing now. Who this same thing was a demons, basically, you know what I mean? It is alleged it was a demon who was there in the presence of Bella, people. So what happened now is that this same thing now, people, take in big old thinking same thing when got between them like people. You understand? And the way you want to do with it, people. I mean, even feel good for that, but it's just reality, people, because it happened. Zane, and mash up the local Pikni parts. You know what I mean? Mash it up for. You get what I'm saying, people? After you look on them, something here, people can look and see this same thing here. Is that the human situation? Imagine, people. So what I'm saying now, on a real level, people, this mother should be in custody too. You know what I mean? She not for the road to walk free, and based on information I've received that she is out there walking free. How can you allow, you know the situation, you have somebody who's like this, you know what I mean, who you can't trust, and you take up your little daughter, leave it in the presence of him, and about your business, that means I never care, never love, and then this is the report where I go to the police, them and this and that, say whatever. You need to hold accountable also alongside the demons. May I tell the people, some cruel people out there, man. No, attack even too good. Figure this as sitting here now, you know. Honestly, people. You know, if I hit, basically everything, people, it get the reports that they look, alright, looking up. Look, people, why everything I go lead to it. Yeah, it do it. It give a report say the Pikni was in present of him, the little child, right? And she fell, damage herself. You get me say? After then comes a woman carry her to the hospital, people, do examine her, everything, people. They have discovered that it wasn't a fell that caused the impact of what happened to the little one. See? But where foul play was involved, where things do happen, where enough to go. Where this, oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK, oh Jesus. What a sin thing, wicked and cruel. Look upon it to my people. Attack that NEWLINK, attack that. My people over there in the 242. Me no want to feel right now when I see things like this. Me no also want this demons to be a part of society, my people. And me no want to feel the same about this woman here. Oh, can look the people. The little girl was in her present of her daddy and the daddy family. The mother come, people, cuss and behave based on these information, you know what I mean, that's going around, people. Behave certain way bad. And then comes a woman and does, alright, you see it, you take her. And she do get her people and this away later. This away later, woman, me are telling us enough for uno out there. We go have the MO, you understand, for more. But the other there, that not fit, you know. We a curse. Jaja sees and Jaja knows. See it there? Poor little Bella, oh my gosh, man. Just imagine what Bella daddy I got through now, people. And Bella daddy family, all of them how they feel. Even the family of the woman, even the family of the same thing right now upset. See? But one thing me I tell the people, Jana asleep. What a crueltiness. Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Big up on yourself, my people. More love, more blessings, and more respect. Just be good. Be great and be safe out there. Jaja sees and Jaja knows.